Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off by sliding this down. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and the volume down, both of these keys at the same time. And when you see the OPPO logo, you can let go. From here, choose your language, then tap on wipe data. Now this is just a random pin that appears, assuming you don't have any kind of protection on the device. Because I don't, it just gives me a random pin to put in here. Not really sure what the purpose of this is, honestly, because it's being provided right here. So, 2. And now we're gonna tap on format data. Make sure that you tap on the second one. The first one keeps your messages, photos, and contacts, so it doesn't really do a full wipe of the device. And then format once more. The process will begin, and it should finish really quickly, at least at this stage. And there we go. Wipe successful. Tap on OK, and now the phone will reboot and continue the process in the background. So at this moment it will take a little bit longer for the device to turn back on. Once it's finished, we should be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.